Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone so the update can run without interruption. Charge to at least 50% or keep the charger connected. Interrupted installs cause problems. Once done, join a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid mobile data charges and ensure download speed. Make a quick backup through Settings System Backup or use your Google account so you can restore if needed. Now open Settings, and we'll go straight to the update entry to check for available software. You now check for updates inside Settings, about phone system updates, because that triggers the OTA server check. When an update appears, tap Download and watch the progress. Make sure your Wi-Fi stays connected and the battery remains stable. Read the release notes to know what's included and to verify package size fits available storage. Once the download completes, the system will usually verify the file automatically. This prevents corrupted installs and explains why you shouldn't interrupt the process. You tap Install and the phone will reboot into recovery to apply the package. Expect a 10-30-minute window depending on update size. After the device restarts, make sure to verify the new build in Settings About Phone and quickly test core apps like Calls, Wi-Fi, and Camera. If you see boot loops or app crashes, try wiping the cache partition first, and if that fails, restore from your backup. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after securing important data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.